24/7 teachers training. Our lesson by lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Same and different. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial and abstract. And the students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Let us start with the concept of same and different. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Make sure that every student takes part, and this can be done by involving them in simple activities. When students have fun, they are more interested in learning. After all, fun is another way of learning. Learning objectives. To enable the students to compare objects based on their appearance. To enable them to differentiate between same and different. We all start with same. Same means that the two items look alike. Same is the easiest to start teaching when talking about comparison. And you can find some examples. Once the concept of same is made clear, it will be easier for the students to tell items which are not same. Get different pairs of socks and a basket or a box. Separate the socks and place them in the basket or the box. Invite the students to help you sort the socks and try to find matches. Engage the children by asking them the things like, I have got the red socks. Can you help me find another red sock? Play a game with the children. Give the students a bin of buttons of various shapes, colors, sizes. They may immediately begin to start on their own, which is fairly common. Free play allows the students a relaxed environment to discover similarities and differences on their own. It helps develop their critical thinking skills. Ask them to follow the instructions. When you say same, they are supposed to pick buttons of the same color, and when you say different, they will pick different colors. Similarly, you can repeat the above with them by sorting in shape and size. Ask them to open their textbooks and circle the same picture in each row. Reinforcement worksheet of similar and odd objects can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.